We got the creepy crawls going on.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day, and welcome to today's video. We got Cassie and I here. We are currently headed to go do some wheeling, so that will be sweet. What do you think it is, Cassie?
I don't know.
We've seen smoke on the highway, but Jake is always prepared with a trusty fire extinguisher. So he always has one after I caught my chunk on fire.
Yeah.
We pretty much always got
You're
one.
losing a lot of tranny fluid, Jake.
Well, guys, we found the problem. She's Well, we made it most of the way up here. We're currently heading out to head towards the trail and go get aired down. Well, we're aired down. I may or may not have went way too low on my side. Well, that's fine. We'll run it until it pops a beat, and then we'll address the situation then, because I don't really want to air back up. But there's snow. There's not a lot of snow. Well, we're gonna have some fun today, and yeah.
And it's a beautiful day out.
Cassie, we're not off to a good start. I think we're gonna end up breaking the Tacoma today, or Pat's gonna freaking hit us. Coming in like a rocket ship. Breaking records with this situation.
Are we timing it right now?
We should be.
Can we time him? Here, I'll time him. Okay.
We'll just lop off a minute. Well, a minute.
Okay.
2 minutes.
I don't know.
No, 1 minute. I don't know.
Nick, you're on the clock.
Well, that's not supposed to be your first impression of Snowcoma.
He did say he was rusty.
It's so nice out. We have more problems we're gonna deal with up here.
Might need a little pull.
Why, are you stuck?
A little. Well, I don't want to get in the trees.
Go look at his tire.
Oh, geez. Are you close?
In the trees.
Ooh, look at that tire roll.
All right.
It's rolled.
That's
Gorilla tape beadlock.
that's pretty good, Austin. Ooh, and you got that folded in mirror.
Yep.
That's fancy. Well, we're up here. We haven't made too much progress. One of the guys, they broke a CV, so we're dealing with that issue, but it is super nice out. The weather is awesome. Sunny, got the Tacomas up here, got Austin's here. Drop a comment down below if you want to see us do a walk around video of his Tacoma. It's pretty awesome. Has some trick stuff done to the engine. Isn't that right?
That's right.
It's a pretty cool vehicle, so we'll have to do a walk around video of this sometime. some snow. This is exhilarating. We're gonna burn this vehicle down. Worth it. Guys, the Tacoma is doing great once again, as always. We're ripping along. Oh, we got someone coming. This thing is just doing great. It's a little hot though, because we're going hard on it, but was that not fun, Cassie?
That was fun.
We were pushing snow everywhere. We traded seats, and Cassie is now driving, getting some seat time.
Oh.
You got this, babe.
This is my first time like actually snow wheeling though. Driving.
You drove a couple times,
The
but
K5.
yeah, that one's a little bit bigger. This one's a little smaller. She's gonna do great. It's so nice out. It's an awesome day to be out in the mountains playing in the snow. The snow's actually pretty good too, which is awesome. We're not sinking too bad. It's going great. It's pretty chewed up because the rest of the club's already been through here. We're just a little behind because of the CV problems in that other vehicle we're having. So it's a little chewed up, which is pulling the vehicle all over the place. But she's doing fine. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Well, we finally caught up to the others, the rest of our group. It is so dang nice out, and the Tacoma smells like something's burning. To be fair, it is melting the complete underside by the exhaust. I already know that, but I don't really care because it still runs and drives. I got a fire extinguisher so we can put it out if it catches on fire. Mike, I think you're going a little far to that side there, bud.
Nice and soft over there.
I think you should try.
Okay, give me a second.
For the video. Are you guys having fun?
Tip over.
This is a sweet Jeep. Did you build this yourself?
Did. All the sheet metal and everything.
Yep, the whole, you formed it and all that. Now we got the race car pulling out the other race car.
Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what
Yeah. I got that Japanese horse torques going on right now.
Keep coming. Keep another marker.
Huh? Well, it is. Japanese horse torques.
You're getting it.
All of the speed.
Back up. One more.
Yeah, it's getting a little longer now.
One more.
People, Cassie is back in the reins of the Tacoma Chariot. He's gonna do some. I'm about to get ran over by Nate, which is exhilarating. Hi, Nate.
How's it going, everyone?
It's going. Aaron? Aaron?
Everyone.